My interest in space started with SpaceX Falcon Heavy rockets. Then I started digging deep into spacebooks and websites. During my research on meteorites, I realized that meteorites affected climate change so badly that I knew I had to focus on this topic.
Global warming is currently of the biggest problem in the world and has been for the last thousands of years. The next decades will not be any better either if we don't take action to leave a better world to next generations of both humans and animals. Especially when considering that animals are totally vulnerable to climate disasters while we can find ways to protect ourselves. But let's not be so selfish.
As an angler, I also see the effects of climate change on the sea ecosystem. According to NASA's sea temperature chart, the water temperature of the Suez Channel increased between 2004 to 2021. This increase caused fish species such as pufferfish and lionfish to migrate from the Red Sea to Mediterranean Sea. Migratory fish species dominated the sea ecosystem and endangered local fish species, so we decided to build a device that covers our interest and helps solving climate change. Also, we would like to spread this project through social media. That way, we will be able to convey the idea that there are always new ways to build solutions and broaden the understanding of people in climate change. At the end of the video, we will put links to our social media accounts. Meteorites and heavy metals harm sea creatures, the most important living being in the ocean that affects the climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide is phytoplankton. An article in the National Library of Medicine states heavy metals harm phytoplanktons. As a result, we decided to build a device that collects meteorites and heavy metals without damaging living beings under the sea. Each side of the device has a motor. The first motor pulls water into the device. Then electromagnets catch heavy metals and other motors pulls out to clean water. The device we designed consists of three main parts: brushless DC motors, two plexiglass tubes, and electronics that include electromagnets and the control unit of device. The most important part of the device is brushless DC motors. While designing brushless DC motors, we did not use classical design that lessens friction between stator and rotor with bearings and hub. We designed a hubless electric motor that can be fully 3D printed without using a bearing. This new design allows electric motor to last longer, be cheap, and have no harm to living beings. Also, we designed an underwater row to clean the huge area of water autonomously with the device we developed.